Mankind has always settled in areas alongside the water and has aspired to control it since the dawn of civilization. 1200 BC. The first dam of the world, namely Karakuyu Dam, was built in those years. The dam was constructed upon the order of Hittite king Tutalye IV near Örenşehir in the province of Kayseri. The 10-meter high dam was the first dam in the world. Hydraulic structures were introduced to our country during the Ottoman period. The construction of a water distribution system became widespread following the works of great architect Sinan, and masonry weirs were constructed at the beginning of the 17th century. 1930s. Upon the proclamation of the Republic, Turkey made comprehensive strides in developing water resources in order to use domestic water resources effectively and efficiently. Çubuk Dam. The first dam of the Republic, with a height of 25 meters, is of concrete gravity type, constructed by the command of Atatürk for the purposes of potable domestic industrial water supply and flood control. Gölbaşı Dam. The second dam of the Republic constructed for irrigation purposes. It is an earth-fill dam. Sarıyer Dam has an installed capacity of 160 megawatts and its annual generation is 400 gigawatt hours. It is Turkey's first large hydroelectric power plant. Gökçekaya Dam. It is Turkey's first concrete arch dam and constructed for energy production. Its installed capacity is 278 megawatts and generates 562 gigawatt hours electrical energy annually. Keban Dam is the first mega energy investment in the Southeastern Anatolia project, GAP for short, which aims at social and economic development. It is concrete gravity and rock-fill type and is the first mega dam of Turkish dam engineering. Thus, it stands out as the cornerstone. Karakaya Dam, a concrete gravity arch dam, and it is still the second largest dam in Turkey in terms of installed capacity. Atatürk Dam, a historical achievement, an engineering masterpiece, thanks to the efforts of Turkish engineers and contractors, and rises magnificently over the Euphrates like a giant necklace. It is a dam of rock-fill type with clay core. It can provide 20% of the total generated power in Turkey's hydroelectric power plants. 2003. The formerly used earth-fill and rock-fill dams have been replaced by modern designs and applications such as concrete-faced rock-all dams, double curvature thin arch dams, and roller compacted concrete dams. Ermenek Dam, which is the first double curvature thin arch dam of Turkey, is constructed for energy purposes. It is located on the Göksu River and it is the fifth highest dam in the world in its category. Its annual generation is 1,048 gigawatt hours. Deriner Dam, which is also a double curvature thin arch dam constructed on the Çoruh River for energy purposes, is currently the highest dam in Turkey. When completed, it will rank third in Europe and sixth in the world. It generates 2,116 gigawatt hours per year. Yusufeli Dam, which is under construction at the moment on Çoruh River, has the same dam type as Deriner Dam. When completed, it will be the third highest dam in the world. Çine Adnan Menderes Dam, which is the highest dam among roller compacted concrete dams, is constructed for energy, irrigation and flood control purposes. 22,359 hectares are irrigated and the annual generation is 118 gigawatt hours. Alaköprü Dam is a concrete face rockfill dam with purposes of energy and irrigation, as well as it is the main source of water transferred to the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus with a suspended pipe, the first such type of project in the world. Ilısu Dam, which is under construction, is also a concrete face rockfill dam and will be the largest dam of its type. A large number of dams and hydroelectric power plant projects have been realized on the basis of public-private partnership model. Some of them are Artvin Dam and hydroelectric power plant, Ayvalı Dam and hydroelectric power plant, Yedigöze Dam and hydroelectric power plant. In addition to large projects, many small dams were commissioned as part of the project named 1,000 Pond and Irrigations Projects in 1,000 days. Today, Turkey has reached a point where it can construct mega dam and hydroelectric power plant projects in and outside of the country with its own engineers and contractors. Turkey ranks second after China in the construction of dams in the world. We will continue with our investments to increase the welfare level of our people, which will contribute to the development of our country. Let's move forward with confidence for a prosperous and self-sufficient Turkey in energy, where the fertile lands are invigorated and fed by water and water resources, and where investments are made for the benefit of the public.